yours truly, Eric Sanchez.
Yes.
And Rajesh Babula. Now we are two men here walking on a trail.
One path to enlightenment.
Yes. This man named Matt is gonna help us. One man named Matt. As you see, around us is bush.
And tree.
Bush.
Tree.
I don't know, we're at a session right now. And if one of us goes to your house and take one walk like me and Reginal right here. You know, that's you're enlightened, you know.
It's a way like Tai Chi and yoga to calm down your spirit and make yourself feel nice and refresh and rejuvenate.
But lately there's like stress. The bad way of living, you know, So may I offer you free walking lessons with me, Eric Sanchez. I will Reginal and I, right here.
Should I sit down in your house and do that same shit I actually did and do every shitting day?
You can come, walk with us for a low price of $599.99.
Of course, you gotta pay additional price for one pair of sneakers and one track pant.
My track pants come in blue, orange, and magenta. Only color, no other one, no black, no white, no red, no. What color they come in, Rajesh?
Blue, yellow, and magenta, because we're gonna make it look like one Power Ranger.
Good job. Alright. So what you see here, we're walking upon a bench. If you examine that bench, pure sex work written all over it. Look at the stain. Look at all this. Look at all this bird sex. Disgusting. So I am too. You look over there, you see a Mexican retreat. I will zoom in to show you the Mexican retreat. I see a Mexican retreat. Alright, see?
Now watch as Reginald gone and take one closer look. Don't worry, stay back.
As you know, Rajesh is a professional scoop man. A real jungle book. And look at this. Look at his technique. Look at it. It's like a prow. Yes. Look at it. As you can see, it's one dog, one shed, one voodoo.
I'm not scared nothing.
You hear one wolf. One wolf. You hear it? One wolf. It's a very dangerous area, but you know. For $599. But the deposit I get you
one night. Cool breeze. Calm down, relax and walk in the park.
You'll get many things for this $599 deal.
And if it's your first time, you get one free trial to come inside the ganja house.
The ganja house. You smoke one tree, I'll be happy for as long as you believe. As you're walking, you see this a sprinkler system. You see, sprinkler system is a weapon used to marking and make you think you're lazy in this go outside and boil one water and throw it on your plant. I see these is not all necessities. These are not necessities. Look at this. But car and what satellite dish. What do you get with it? Satellite. And what is it?
A dish.
Thank you, Rajesh. Thank you. Now we're going to go into walk with the flowers. You see this? That is good. Your garden.
It's good and it is natural.
It is good. It is very good. But now look at what we see. Tripping flowers.
Concrete and building.
And
Man-made and man-made.
Man-made. Look at this. Jungle gym. There is no jungle in a gym.
Jungle gym.
So we run. As you know, me and Rajesh, I'm a friend of jungle gym. They'll tell you all the good things about this jungle gym. Alright. That was quite alright. $5.99. You can join us for this run. Thank you. A conquer? You conquer. Look at the pose. So, now we're just going to head back to the nature route. No, man, I'm bored. We are promoting nature walk. I think we're being done today. So, if you are a sexy, pretty, cute girl, you know, they give you a low price of $499. As a savings of $100. And they give you one track shorts inside pants. Does that sound like a good deal, G?
Yeah, sound like one very good deal.
One very good deal. These track shorts are given to you in these few colors, you know. They come in
Purple.
Purple. What else you want? What else you want? Want more color? Want more color?
Yeah, you not need no more color.
See, you're too greedy, too glutton. You don't need more than one color, you know. You're so glutton. Purple is what it is, okay? So don't get pasty with me. Don't get pasty with me. Alright, Rajesh. I'll handle you.
You're damn straight. Watch one rock.
You see this? Now zoom into it. This is the rock. Rajesh is an expert rock climber too. If you're wondering how Rajesh is so expert in all these things, it's because he has soul. Unlike when you don't go to church, you don't think what life. You just go to church and you hear what pastor say and you take it to the world. But me and Rajesh, we take soul. We don't take church. What we take, Rajesh?
We take soul, not church.
Dang. Church. Church is good. Me, I say church isn't good. Church is good, but we take soul. We are the big rock now. You see it? It's like one elephant shit. Rajesh is gonna. Oh, you see. As you see, that is rock hop 4-5 with a twist flip at the end. Very hard. Very hard. Good job, Rajesh. Good job. Thank you. It's all good. Now back to the human society. Look at this dish. Like a dish. Like what you get from this dish. Television, laziness. Look at this dog. He say he don't want the dish in the windows. Even the dog say he don't want no dish. You see his face? I can't even show you the face because it's just too sad. It's purchased so for the very low price of $599. You can see that puppy's face. You can experience that sadness. Do you want to see it? Yes, I do. Why do you want to see it? Because I do. As I see, I'm walking back
towards the ganja house.
Exactly. Rajesh, explain.
Explain what? House of ganja. What else you need to know?
That is true. Tell us the origin of the house of ganja.
Well, you see, one day I had some real people that come from Jamaica, and they come and they say this house looks pretty and nice, and they're right by the nature trail. And them done here about with sponsorship and with commercial about nice nature walk. It's only $5.99.99. So they say, then we get into one promotion. We're gonna make one business deal. And they plant ganja upon their house. And watch one next satellite dish.
You see? Satellite dish. And look, I bet you there's a dog right there. That's sad. And next time you come, but next time I want you to be here, so you can see this satellite dish. See this devil and dish.